Come see this truly stunning walkout ranch home on 2 acres close to Carter Lake. No detail left undone. Home boasts hickory floors, alder cabinets, granite counters, double ovens, gas cooktop and large pantry. Master bedroom walks out to covered porch with hot tub. Laundry in master closet and in basement. Finished walkout with second and third bedrooms that have Jack and Gill bathroom. Fourth bedroom has its own bathroom. Large rec room with wet bar. Wonderfully landscaped, that includes a water feature with koi pond and fire pit area. Oversized 3-car garage. Beautiful views.